Hello and welcome to this video on The Catcher in the Rye by J.D. Salinger, a classic novel published in 1951. Holden Caulfield is a 16-year-old boy who has just been expelled from his prep school for failing most of his classes. Rather than going home to face his parents, he decides to spend a few days in New York City, where he tries to escape his problems and find some meaning in his life. Throughout the novel, Holden grapples with his inner demons, including his feelings of loneliness, alienation, and confusion. Holden is a complex character who is both highly intelligent and deeply troubled. He is obsessed with the idea of authenticity and has a strong aversion to phonies, people who are fake or insincere. He is also deeply cynical about the adult world, which he sees as corrupt and superficial. As Holden wanders through New York City, he meets a number of different people, including his former roommate, a prostitute, a group of nuns, and his younger sister Phoebe. These encounters provide a glimpse into Holden's inner world and reveal his struggles to connect with others and find a sense of purpose in life. One of the central themes of the novel is Holden's struggle to come to terms with the realities of growing up. Throughout the novel, Holden grapples with his fear of change and his desire to preserve his innocence and protect the innocence of others. He becomes fixated on the image of a catcher in the rye, a person who stands at the edge of a cliff and catches children before they fall off, as a metaphor for his desire to protect the innocence of childhood. The novel also explores themes of mental health and the challenges of navigating adolescence. Holden is clearly struggling with his own mental health throughout the novel, and his experiences shed light on the challenges that many teenagers face as they try to find their place in the world. Despite its controversial nature, The Catcher in the Rye is considered a classic of American literature. Its themes of adolescent alienation, identity, and mental health continue to resonate with readers today. The novel's frank and honest portrayal of teenage angst has made it a favorite of young readers for generations, while its exploration of more universal themes has made it a timeless work of literature. Thank you for watching this summary of The Catcher in the Rye by J.D. Salinger. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more book summaries and content.